We've seen a little bit of cloud cover in some parts of the area, especially right around the metro this afternoon with just a couple showers showing up. That could change a little bit going into tonight. I'm not really enthused with any one particular model as far as the next few hours go. A lot of models are actually blowing up a lot of thunderstorm activity out to our west and then bringing that in. I think that's overdoing it. This particular model doesn't show anything by 11 o'clock. That might also be wrong. I think we could see just some isolated storms in our northern areas and western areas tonight, but we're not talking extremes here. That would just be some isolated activity, perhaps on the strong side. Tomorrow could be a different scenario as a front does pop through, and that will finally be providing some relief on Sunday. But this front could be responsible by the late afternoon and evening for some thunderstorms to get going. They'll congeal into a line and then move down to the southeast throughout Saturday evening. And those could be on the strong side. There's a little bit more of an appreciable severe weather threat with those, generally isolated, but still wouldn't rule out a couple thunderstorms maintaining or reaching severe intensity on Saturday evening, primarily for damaging winds and hail. That'll all be gone going into Sunday. We will be behind the front on Sunday. Great news for us. We will finally experience some cooler weather. It will be kind of cloudy and maybe a couple showers or thunderstorms on Sunday behind the front. As far as Saturday goes, again, isolated severe potential for most of the region. That's generally going to be in the Waco area and then to the southeast, with your threats being half-dollar size hail, some 60 mile per hour winds possible with these. Flooding and tornado threats look to be pretty low on the spectrum, but we are looking at rain chances going up into the next few days. Some decent chances, in fact, from Monday into Wednesday. And if we were to add the rain totals from tomorrow through Wednesday, I think much of central Texas could be receiving 2 to 4 inches of rain in that time period as a general number. So that is good news, something we could use. We will be much cooler on Sunday at 77, highs in the 80s throughout much of this week. In fact, we could be staying away from the 90s completely.